Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna assist you in how you can upload an image to ChatGPT. So first of all, just go to your ChatGPT browser. Now in the ChatGPT browser, if you want to upload an image to ChatGPT, you need to just unlock your ChatGPT 4 version. Just click on it and click on upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. Now, if you want to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, you will need about $20 per month. But there is another way you can do it for free. Just go back, and if you are an Android user like me, you can just go to your Play Store, and in the top search bar, you can just search for Bing app, and you can just install it. I've already installed this app. Now I'm gonna open it for you. Now in the bottom here you can see there is a chat icon. Just click on it. Now in the middle here you can see use ChatGPT 4. Just click it to turn on. Now after turning it on, now beside your mic in the bottom there is a camera icon here. Just click on it. Now you can just take a picture by your camera, or you can just take a photo from your gallery. Like this. And after that you can just ask for anything. And you can just send it. And after that ChatGPT will analyze the photo, and after analyzing the photo ChatGPT will answer your questions. So guys, that's how you can upload a photo to ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.